Good. Your Sandhya teacher is back again. Children, in our previous videos, you have learnt how to write vertical line and horizontal line. Did you learn how to write vertical line and horizontal line? Now, today, let me ask you something. What is this, children? Yes, these are called slant lines. And today we are going to learn how to write slant lines in the notebook and in the practice books. We are going to learn how to write in the notebook and in the practice books. But before we write in the notebook and practice books, you need to do a lot of practice on the slate. And you can take help of your parents for drawing these 4 lines. Okay, children? And a small note to the parents. Kindly help your child by drawing these lines on the slate. And give a lot of practice on the slate or else in any 4-ruled rough notebook before they write directly in the notebook or else in the practice books. And make sure your child writes in your presence. Now I am going to show you how to write, how to practice on the slate. On how many lines will you write the slant lines? On 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. On the 3 lines, you can see slant line on the 3 lines. The line that slopes down towards the left side. Left slant line. Now again, the line that slopes down towards the right side is right slant line on the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. Slant line and this is slant line. Okay? Now, this is your literacy practice book 1. Now I am going to show you how to write in the... So children, this is your literacy practice book 1. In this book, take out the page number 3. Take out the page number 3. And slant lines, you can see. You need to write on the dots, trace on the dots. Keep the pencil on the dot and slowly bring it down in a sloping position. Now again here also slowly bring it down in a sloping position. Slant line. Again go up and come down. Again go up and come down. Right slant. Now again you can see 2 dots are there. Keep the pencil on the dot and bring it down in a slanting position. Slant line. Left slant line. And again keep the pencil on the dot. Again bring it towards the right side in a sloping position. Slant line. In this way you need to write. Slowly. Keep the pencil on the dot and bring it down. You need to join these 2 dots. In this way you need to write. You can write the full page. Again, you can turn the page and you can see the page number 4. In the page number 4, you can see again slant lines are there. You need to write on the dots. Keep the pencil on the dot and trace on the dots slowly. In this way you need to write. Slant lines. Slant lines. In this way you need to trace. Now again here also 2 dots are there. You need to join. Bring it down. Keep the pencil on the dot and bring it down in a sloping position. In a sloping position. Now again keep the pencil on a dot and bring it up. Take it up. Okay. Now again keep the pencil on the dot and bring it down in a sloping position. In this way you need to write. Now this is your literacy book 1. Now I am going to show you how to write in this literacy book. This is your literacy book 1. Literacy book 1. In this literacy book 1, take out the page number. Now take out the page number 13. 13. In this page number 13, you can see slant lines. Okay. Now you need to keep the pencil on the dot and slowly write on the dots. Trace it on the dots. Again come down. Go up and come down. Now again slowly go up and come down. Okay children. Now again keep the pencil on the dot. You need to join these two dots. Keep the pencil on the dot and slowly come down in a sleeping position. In a slanting, keep the pencil on the dot and slowly keep the pencil on the dot and slowly come down in a sloping position. Now one more time I am showing you. Keep the pencil on the dot, slowly come down in a sloping position. Now again go up, again come down slowly. Go up and come down. Now again you can see here also slanting lines are there. In the same way you need to write. Slant line on the dots, trace on the dots. Again come down, go up. You can see here dots are there, you need to join these two dots. Keep the pencil on the dot and slowly come down in a sloping position. Now again go up and come down. Go up and come down. In this way you need to write the whole page. Slanting lines. Now if you turn the page, now again here also slanting lines are there, zigzag lines are there. Simply you need to trace on the dots. Slanting line, again slanting line, slanting line. In this way you need to trace on the dots. Here also same you need to join the dots in a sleeping position. In a sloping position you need to join these two dots in a sloping position. Slant line, slant line, slant line, slant line. Again here also slant line, slant line. Again one more time I am showing you. Slant line, slowly slant line, slant line. In this way you need to write this full slant line. This is your notebook. Now I am going to show you how to write in a notebook. Small request to the parents. Kindly set the book for your child in this way. So this is the notebook. In this way you need to set the book. Left side heading slant lines and slant lines with the ruler in the dotted form. Again right side heading say and write. Divide the page into half and slant lines on the 3 lines. And you need to keep the dot on the first line and on the third line. You need to keep the dots to avoid confusion for the children. And these dots should be followed for all the lines. And write the date on which day the child is writing. In this way the child needs to write the full page. You can see slant lines. You can see the slant lines. You need to draw with the crayon, any color crayon. You can take any color. And slant lines are there children. Now again on the 3 lines you need to write the slant line. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. Slant line. Left slant line. Again 1, 2, 3. Right slant line on the 3 lines. Now again put the pencil on the dot and bring it down. Slant line in a slanting position. Now again slant line. One more time I am showing you children. 1, 2, 3. On the 3 lines, you need to write slant line. Now again, 1, 2, 3. On the 3 lines, you need to write slant line. In this way, you need to write the full page. Okay, children. So hope you have understood how to write slanting lines. Thank you.